Ever found yourself staring at your bank balance, wondering if there's a way to make those small, everyday purchases work harder for you? Like, what if your morning coffee, your weekly grocery run, even that impulse buy online could somehow contribute to your future? I know, it sounds a little too good to be true, right? We're so used to money going out, not necessarily coming back in, especially from those little transactions that seem insignificant on their own. That's where platforms like Raiz come into the picture, and the question that's probably on your mind is, what exactly is it? Is it a bank? An investment platform? Some kind of magical money tree? Well, let's break it down. Raiz, at its core, is a micro-investing platform. Think of it as a bridge between your everyday spending and your long-term financial goals. It's not a bank in the traditional sense, though it does link to your bank account. It's also not a full-service investment firm, but it does allow you to invest in diversified portfolios. So, how does it work? Raiz uses a concept called roundups. Basically, when you connect your debit or credit card, it rounds up your purchases to the nearest dollar. That spare change, those little cents, get invested into a portfolio of exchange-traded funds, or ETFs. Now, ETFs are essentially baskets of assets, like stocks or bonds, that are traded on stock exchanges. This diversification is key. Instead of putting all your eggs in one basket, you're spreading your investment across a range of assets, which can help mitigate risk. Raiz offers different portfolio options, from conservative to aggressive, depending on your risk tolerance and investment goals. You can choose a portfolio that aligns with your preferred asset allocation. For example, a conservative portfolio might have a higher proportion of bonds, while an aggressive portfolio might lean more heavily toward stocks. But it's not just about roundups. You can also make one-off deposits or set up recurring investments, allowing you to contribute larger sums to your portfolio. This flexibility means you can tailor your investment strategy to your individual needs. One of the key selling points of Raiz is its accessibility. It's designed to be user-friendly, even for those who are new to investing. The app is intuitive and provides clear information about your portfolio's performance. It removes the intimidation factor often associated with investing. It's important to remember that as with any investment, there are risks involved. The value of your investments can go up or down, and past performance is not indicative of future results. But with Raiz, the idea is to take a long-term view, allowing your investments to grow over time. Think of it as planting a seed. Those small, consistent investments, those little roundups, can accumulate over time, potentially growing into a substantial financial asset. Raiz provides a simple and accessible way to dip your toes into the world of investing without needing a large initial investment or extensive financial knowledge. Essentially, Raiz is a micro-investing platform that uses roundups and other investment methods to help you build a diversified portfolio of ETFs. It's a tool that can help you make your everyday spending work harder for you, turning those seemingly insignificant purchases into potential long-term gains. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.